Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most amazing camper homes, tiny living innovations, and off-grid lifestyles from around the world. If you're passionate about minimalism, freedom, and mobile living, you're in the right place. Let's dive into something truly special today. Living off-grid doesn't mean giving up comfort, and the 2026 Countryside Camper House is proof of that. It brings together luxury, smart design, and total independence, creating a mobile home that lets you disconnect from the grid, without disconnecting from style. At first glance, the camper radiates rustic charm with a sleek, countryside-inspired design. The wood-paneled exterior is both sturdy and aesthetic, blending seamlessly with natural surroundings. But this isn't just a pretty camper, it's a high-functioning home on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels far larger than its compact footprint suggests. The open-concept layout is designed for both space and warmth. Natural wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and large panoramic windows flood the space with light and provide breathtaking views, whether you're parked in the forest, by a lake, or in the mountains. The living area is cozy yet modern. It features a convertible sofa that doubles as a bed, storage under every seat, and even a mini wood-burning stove to keep you warm on chilly nights. It's the perfect spot to unwind with a book, enjoy a movie, or just relax and enjoy the silence of nature. The kitchen is surprisingly full-featured. With a propane 2-burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, a mini fridge, and solid surface countertops, meal prep is easy, whether you're making coffee or cooking a full dinner. Solar-powered appliances ensure you're never without the essentials, even off-grid. Now let's talk about water and power. The 2026 Countryside Camper House is built for total self-sufficiency. It comes with a 400-watt solar array, a 300Ah lithium battery system, and a smart inverter that powers everything from your fridge to your lights. The camper also includes a 40-gallon freshwater tank, a gray water system, and an optional composting toilet. The sleeping area is both functional and inviting. Whether you go for the convertible loft bed or the cozy rear sleeping nook, the space is designed for maximum comfort and privacy. Insulated walls, blackout blinds, and soundproofing make sure you sleep like a baby, even in the wild. And of course, it's all mobile. Hitch it to your vehicle and take your home anywhere the road leads. From remote hillsides to beach fronts, the 2026 Countryside Camper House gives you the freedom to live off-grid without ever sacrificing modern comfort. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss a new camper house feature. Drop a comment below and let us know, could you live off-grid in a camper like this? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.